in these dark waters.
What the? Cool down, please. Why that one down now? Storm?
Because of trolley, di ba?
Yeah, you're right. There might be something in there.
Si Mami, adik na adik.
There might be monster in there. There might be monster. Mamaya. Go in there. What?
Doon na tayo para isang bulat-latan na lang ng sako.
Nak, that's not okay.
Ayan o, anak ko. Ayan o, mga buko.
Pila yan ng Carabao.
Mo, let's go.
Ayun o, yun yung way.
Go, Pops! Go, Pops! Go! Ang galing naman! Explorer! Shout out nga pala kay Tito Ram Modesto ng Barangay Buna from Colendra Family of Matawe. DJ Bong, pwede mo mag-request ng kantang Tugs, 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 Tugs. Dito anak.
You're wearing boots, Fabian.
Anak, rumbuhin mo lang yan, hindi ka mababasa. Yeah. Rumbo. This is the Lagundian. Talaga naman sa water talaga. Dito ka.
What do you want, Sam? Oh, wait, keep going.
May accent talaga.
Okay, go ahead.
Taga saang state ba si Potato Head Bugs? Idaho?
Where does Andrew live? Idaho?
Idaho?
Yeah, it's there. The damn said, wait a girl, Idaho.
Yun no? Lead man no? We'll start here. Tapos, hindi ka pupunta. Go. Okay, use the pole, Pops.
Careful lang, para hindi
Slowly, para hindi pasukin ng water yung if the buta fits. Parang dun sila naglalaba. Ayun o. Ayun sila yun o.
So, which way we go? This way?
Dito tayo.
How will we say hi to them?
Malalim kasi doon marumi na.
How will we say hi to them?
Sige, mag-hi ka. Tawag ka doon.
Tinatawag
Gusto
ka
maligo
ni
doon?
Jesus, oh.
Gusto mo na maligo?